Now the students, today I will start with the exercise, that is 10.2, and the question number first. I will start with the question number first of this exercise. The question number first is write the equation of the x-axis and y-axis. So how to write the equation of x-axis, y-axis? This is our axis system, x dash, y dash, and origin. You know that on x-axis y is equal to 0, so therefore equation of x-axis, that is y is equal to 0, and similarly on y-axis x is 0, so therefore equation of y-axis is x is equal to 0. So this is the first question to find the equation of the axis, means on x-axis and y-axis. Now after this first question, I will start the second question of this line. This exercise, that is find the equation of the line passing through the point. Now the point is given as minus 4, 3, and the slope is also given. The slope is given as 1 by 2. Now the question is find the equation of the line which passing through the point minus 4, 3, and slope is also given. You know, thus meant the point form of the line, that is y minus y1 is equal to m times of x minus x1. मैं आपको बताया था तो कैसे by applying this point form we can write the y minus y1 is equal to slope, that is 1 by 2 times of x minus x1, or by multiplying this 2y minus 6 is equal to x plus 4, or rearranging this x minus 2y plus 10 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of the line which passing through a point, and slope is also given. So this is the problem number second. Now after this I will start with question number 4. What is given in 4? Again find the equation of the line, the passing through the point 2 root 3 and makes an angle theta that is equal to 75 degree with x-axis. So therefore again the point form, but the problem is to how to get the value is m, the slope. तो slope कैसे मिलेगा? मैं m जो है वो लिखूंगा टेंजेंट ऑफ 75 डिग्री. दिस टेंजेंट 75 की वैल्यू कैसे लिख रहेगी? दैट इज इक्वल टू 45 प्लस 30. देन दिस m कैन बी written as tangent 45 plus this means 1 plus tangent 30 upon 1 minus of tangent 30. What is this tangent 30? That is 1 by root 3, or 1 minus of 1 by root 3. Now taking LCM and solve it properly, you get this. Now rationalizing this can be written as root 3 plus 1 and root 3 plus 1. This can be written as root 3 plus 1 whole square, and in the denominator that is 2, that is a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square, or on squaring this can be written as 2 root 3 by 2. So therefore the value of m is 2 plus root 3. So this is the value of m. After getting m, you can apply the point form, that is y minus y1 is equal to m times of x minus x1. By solving this can be written as 2x minus of 4 plus root 3x and minus of 2 root 3. This 2 root 3 to 2 root cancel, therefore the required line will be 2x minus y and minus 4 is equal to 0. So this is the required equation of the line which we have to find out. Okay. Now after the question number 4, I will start with another problem. That is the question number 5. Find the equation of the line intersecting x-axis at a distance. So question number 5. Now the coordinates of the point intersecting the x-axis at a distance 3 unit on the left of the origin. Left of origin पे है तो point जो है वो -3 and 0 बन जाएगा, and its slope is also given. The slope of the line is also given, that is -2. m आपको गिवन है, स्लोप गिवन है, पॉइंट आपने फाइंड आउट कर लिया है. तो देयरफॉर पॉइंट फॉर्म अप्लाई करने के बाद ये बन जाएगा y minus y1 is equal to m times of x minus of x1, or x minus of x1. So therefore y becomes minus of 2x and minus of 6. So therefore this can be written as 2x plus y and minus 6 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of the line which cut off intercepts on the left of the axis, x-axis. So therefore point जो है -3 and 0 बन जाएगा. By applying point form you can find the equation of the line. Similarly, after the question number 6, I will fifth I will start another question, that is question number 7. In the question number 7, find the equation of the line. The line is passing through the point 1 minus 1 1 and 2 minus 4. So now the students, let the name of the coordinates are A and B. A B इसके नाम रख लिए. अब मैं 2 पॉइंट फॉर्म आपको बताता हूँ. 2 पॉइंट फॉर्म आपने याद करिए. y minus y1, that is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 and whole into x minus x1 is the 2 point form of line. The equation of the line which is obtained by joining the 2 point form. We already derived this form. Now the question is, the line is passing through the 2 points. So therefore by applying the 2 point form, that is y minus y1, y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1 and whole into this. This can be written as y minus 1 is equal to minus 5 by 3 and whole into x plus 1. Then on cross multiplication this will gives you 3y minus this is equal to minus 5x and minus 5, or 5x plus 3y and plus of 2 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of the line which is passing through the 2 points, that is called as the 2 point form of the line. Okay. Now after this question number 7, I will start the another, that is question number 8. In question number 8, find the equation of perpendicular distance from the origin is 5 unit. So perpendicular distance 5 unit है, that is from the origin, and the angle made by the perpendicular with the positive direction of x-axis is 30 degree. The angle is 30 degree. So therefore friends, you know that the normal form of the line, ये आपके पास ये एंगल थीटा दे रखा है और ये p है. P is the perpendicular distance. So what is p? P is 5, theta is this, and the normal form, you know that x cos of the angle, y sin of the angle is equal to the distance p. So therefore what is this? Cos theta 30, y sin theta 30 is equal to p is 5. Now what is the value of cos 30? You know that is root 3 by 2, and y, that is 1 by 2 is equal to 5. By taking the LCM of this and solve it, you get the proper equation of the line. So this is the equation of the line, which is the distance is 5 from the origin and makes an angle 30 degree with the x-axis. So this is all about this lecture.